Hi buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you what you can do if your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G doesn't charge anymore. I have 4 tips for you, and hopefully after that your phone will charge again. So the first thing is to check your cable. If you plug in your cable and your phone doesn't charge, you might want to try the cable with another device, and when that's not working, then your cable might be broken. If that is working, then there might be something wrong with your phone. Otherwise, go ahead and try another cable with the same phone, and hopefully, well, that will solve the problem and you know that your cable might be broken. Second thing is to restart your phone. So you can press and hold the power off button and then say restart. Tap again to restart your phone, and hopefully that will fix your problem, and when your phone is back, hopefully then it's charging again. So now we need to unlock our SIM card, and then we need to unlock our phone. Phone is starting, and hopefully your phone will charge now. If still not, then you want to look for a software update. Go to your settings, go all the way down to software update, download and install, and then your phone is checking for a software update. Our software is up to date now, but if you have a software update available, go ahead and install that. That might fix some bugs that you have, and with the software update, hopefully that's fixed again, and that will remove all, I don't know, your problems, at least the ones you have with your phone, and hopefully after that your phone will charge again. Our software is up to date now, so we will come to our last tip, and that's a forced reboot. So we want to press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time, beyond the point of the power off menu. Keep pressing, and then the phone will restart again. Now we need to unlock our SIM card again. Unlock the phone. Phone is starting again. So hopefully now your phone will charge again. If that still doesn't work, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung Galaxy A54. You should go get that fixed before you can't use your phone at all anymore. So that were 4 tips for you when your Samsung Galaxy A54 isn't charging anymore. Hope you liked it, hope it helped, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.